Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to grow on Pinterest in 2023. Some of the Pinterest business marketing that you can do for your business to grow on Pinterest. Now, I have been posting on Pinterest for a couple of years already. It was inconsistent, but most of the things that I did were working. So basically, I just wanted to share some of my tips when it comes to growing on Pinterest. Now, first tip is post idea pins, right? When you go here, you can create idea pin, and idea pin is basically a pin that you can create. You can upload, add to 20 images or videos, and these pins usually get the most reach, right? These pins are really great because they're getting a lot of reach. You can also upload videos as well, which is pretty awesome because again, the videos are getting more engagement on social media as well as on Pinterest. Now, the second tip I can give you is to post 3 to 5 new posts every single day. So make sure you're posting 3 to 5 new posts every single day. If you click on this profile right here, we can see that the Fast Track Girl, she has 2.1 monthly views and 18,000 followers. Now, as you can see, she is posting idea pins. As you can see right here, she is posting consistently. She is posting 3 to 5 new posts every single day. Now, second thing, what I wanted to tell you is to basically, with sharing or posting 3 to 5 new posts every single day or 3 to 5 new pins every single day, make sure that you are posting or sharing 3 to 5 new pins from other people that are relevant on your boards, right? Now, as you can see, she is currently not doing that, but I think she is actually, when we go to saved, here we can actually see that, yeah, she's doing that as well with other pins as well. Here you can see that she has a lot of the boards. So this is what you need to have in order to succeed on Pinterest. You need to have both your boards. Majority of your content should be yours, right? But some, I would say 20% of your content should be from other people, pinning from other people. Now, number 4 is to create boards and organize your pins and other people's pins, right? This is what I told you right here. As you can see, this is how you organize it. If you go here, become an Etsy seller, here we can see everything, right? She also put the keywords right here, which is really great. So this is basically how you want to do it. Again, it should just be organized in a great way. So if you go back to her here, you can see that she's following 13 people. So she's not following a lot of people, but she is following people that are within her niche. Follow people within your niche to be able to see what they're posting so that you can kind of replicate what's working for them as well. Now, also, she is using a business account. So make sure to use business account because then you will be able to have analytics, see what's working, and see how many people are clicking on your Pinterest pins, right? Then also, last tip that I can give you here is to promote your Pinterest pins. Yes, you can actually promote your Pinterest pins. You can pay Pinterest to promote your pins, and then you will be able to get promoted pins. And yeah, that's basically some of the tips that I used and that a lot of people are using right here, as you can see, to make your Pinterest strategy for 2023 better. Now, yeah, that's basically, how it works. Again, if you want to know more about Pinterest, subscribe to our channel, visit, our channel for more because we are uploading 10 videos a day about Pinterest this week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.